Let's have fun with some eggplants. Gagawa tayo ng baked eggplant rolls. Let's start cooking. So, I have my eggplants and gagawin natin dito, we are going to cut it into strips. So, manipis na strips. Para siyang lasagna noodles of sorts. No? So, ito, careful ka lang. No? Just cut it into thin strips. Ganyan, no? So, I have several prepared. And this one I soaked in a little bit of tubig na may salt, no? Salted water. And put that aside. And here I have some ground pork and this ground beef. And we will just mix everything together. Sobrang simple. And here we will add onions, garlic, our herbs. So we have dried basil, oregano, thyme. You can use whatever you want. I have here some fresh chopped parsley. And season with salt and pepper. Season properly and pepper and mix to combine. No? Let that rest for a few minutes. Pero on the other side, I have here some eggs. So parang meatloaf yung gagawin natin. Meatloaf or meatball of sorts. Beat our egg. Add to breadcrumbs with milk. So eggs, breadcrumbs, milk or cream. Yan. Yan. And we will combine our meat mixture and the breadcrumbs mixture. That will keep it juicy and stable. Be sure that your giniling is properly chilled. And I will just drizzle a bit of olive oil underneath. And now, parang gagawa lang ako ng parang lumpia. Spoonful of our meat mixture and roll our eggplants. And arrange. And ito na siya yung ating eggplants, no? And very simple. We have our tomato and we will season with salt and pepper. Very simple, salt and pepper, just tomato. You can use tomato sauce. You can use spaghetti sauce. And we will just spread the tomato mixture over our eggplants. Simpleng-simple lang, no? And we know that our meat mixture is properly seasoned. Pero we just have to balance with the tomato, no? And of course, as it cooks, yung ating eggplants will shrink, no? And we top with our cheese combination of whatever cheeses you want. So this is a combination of some cheddar, or you can use Parmesan cheese and mozzarella. Let's put in the oven and let's cook it for around 35 to 40 minutes to make sure everything is cooked and all the flavors come together. Ito, bake na tayo. And it's done. Sobra ng mabango. Yan, oh. Mukha nga talaga siyang lasagna. And look at that. So beautiful, no? It looks like a perfect dish to serve when you have guests. Or on special occasions, you can finish with a little bit of chopped parsley. Wow, it's beautiful. So you can actually prepare this ahead of time. Ilagay mo sa inyong chiller to bake the next day. Or you can bake it and just reheat it whenever you want to have it. Ito na siya. Our very simple baked eggplant rolls. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!